Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. It's about 6:30 a.m. It's still drizzling and it's still gray, but um, the worst part of this system is over. So last night, as I was looking at my local news, they were closing up the flood. Well, they opened up the floodgates because they had locked them all down going into New Orleans and surrounding areas. But here is a clip from some of that.
This is what it looks like here. This is the problem Spotty's talking about in West Point of Lahash. You see the tractor coming out right now. They're still dropping sandbags into that construction area. This is a flood wall that they were working on before Barry got here. They had some HESCO baskets, as the sheriff said. Those HESCO baskets didn't hold, so now they have these huge sandbags that they are now filling that void with. And really the wind, like the sheriff said, it's still windy here, but nothing like it was at 12, 1, 2 o'clock when that wind was really getting pushed onto the highway here. It has affected the businesses. It has affected some homes and properties on 23 here, but they seem to be patching it up. We're going to head back to Myrtle Grove, and it seems like things are dying down a little bit at Myrtle Grove as well. We were there all day today, so we'll go assess that situation and have another live report shortly. So now back to you all in the studio.
All right, Fletcher, thank you for that report. We do have another update just in from Lafourche Parish. It says that they had a shelter open in Raceland for people who needed to evacuate, but it says that those folks at the shelter have chosen to return home due to lack of demand. Lafourche Parish officials have announced that the Raceland Recreation Shelter is now closed, but if you do still need assistance in Lafourche, you can contact the Office of Emergency Preparedness there. That number, 985-537-7603. So again, the shelter that was open at the Raceland Rec Center in Lafourche is closed. Just another sign that things are starting to open back up and people are going back home, and so things may be getting closer back to normal.
That's right. Monday morning, we'll start the day off with some scattered showers. We'll probably see some storms roll through the area in the latter part of the morning and parts of the afternoon as well. And some of that rain might be back with us on Tuesday, but a much lower chance of rainfall on Tuesday. How much rain should we see over the course of the next couple of days? Well, I guess some significant numbers in some areas that are to the west of us, but for us, and these numbers are pretty significant too, looks like anywhere from 1 to almost 2 inches of rainfall. And the wind gusts will be much lower than what we've seen over the last couple of days, but they'll be significant in some parts of southeast Louisiana as well. So if you're driving a high-profile vehicle, you definitely want to keep track of that. Quick look at your 7-day forecast. The rain chances going down, the temperatures going up as rain chances reach 20%.
Also, the system, it just rained itself out, I guess. But we did have a lot of flooding in lower line areas, like in Plaquemine Parish. That's where the very lower line parts of the state is in this area. But, I just have a little cleanup to do. But other than that, no big deal. But now, guys, I'm just going to go in and get some breakfast. This is the front of my home, and as you can see, the streets is very, very dry, and there's no water. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you and share this with you all. That my area is fine. All right, guys.